Hi, so welcome to DCA. So many of the candidates who are waiting for the Territorial Army notification, that is TA exam, it was not held in 2020, right, had inquired us about the TA online batch or study materials, right. So we had been receiving queries, but involved with the CDS as well as some other exams, we used to respond late. So here comes our announcement for the TA batches that is upcoming. Hopefully it should be conducted around maybe in July or June or August, right? Nobody is sure until the notification is released. So that's only the expected thing, that yes, this year it will be conducted, right? But I repeat, there is no official notification yet. Okay, so we will be starting, that is Team DCA will be starting the online, offline, that is whichever mode you prefer. The TA batch, that is territorial batch, it will be approximately 4-month batches, right? Of course, after that, if time permits, we'll be having some mock test and discussion to improve the accuracy as well as speed. Remember, speed always holds the key in TA exam. Reason, you have 4 sections and 40% is the cutoff for each section. That means if you assume that 50 is the number of maths question, minimum 20 has to be correct. This is minimum, right? But as the number of aspirants are increasing day by day, the charm for this, this exam has been increasing. You can definitely say that anything up to 30 is safe, but below 30 there can always be the possibilities that varies according to the number of vacancy, right? So we'll be doing base to advanced because we have some students, or you can say inquiries, who say that we don't know basic of maths or reasoning. That means we have to start from the basics. That is the basics of 8th, 9th, 10th. And then accordingly we have to move to the questions and exam questions, and then the speed and accuracy based practice, right? So there might be some students who might be good with maths, there might be some students who might be well versed in reasoning, but of course we have to take all of them together. That means we have to start from the basics. So that's a request to all those candidates who are experienced, or who can say that who are good in this mathematics or reasoning portion or English portion, or maybe GS static portion, right? You should have some patience because we have to take all of you together. Next, focused approach, that is exam oriented facts, exam oriented, whatever is relevant for the syllabus as per the trends, because they mentioned it, right? We'll be doing that, right? Our focus will be on that. When we cover up 1 or 2 topics, we'll be having an online or offline test. We have a discussion so that you can check upon what exactly is the accuracy. Time check करने के लिए online batch is good, online test is good to check out where you are actually finishing out the test within the stipulated time, right? Next, study material. Yes, we'll be giving hard copy of a study material. This will be dispatched to all the batch students, right? Apart from the assignment and study material are different. Assignment we'll be sharing, we'll be uploading on our app, right? That is DCA app. You can download that assignment, or you can just check out what are the assignments uploaded. But the hard copy, that is the basic study materials or the booklets, they will be dispatched to your home address, whatever you suggest, right? Next, I already said the speed is the key. Convenient timing, I mean to say that there might be candidates who are working. Yes, majority of you are. So we'll be trying to keep this timings convenient one, so that the working candidates can participate in the session. Assignments in the PDF format for the sessions, or you can say, like we have English session, we deliver the handouts, the class handouts, which you have in your hand, and we can discuss that, okay, this question and how exactly that is going to be solved out. Of course, you might be following DCA for the last 3 months, 4 months, or whatever it is. You can check out our quality. You know that the faculties who are taking sessions here, if you talk about that, they are the CAT as well as JEE qualified. So of course they qualified the TA exam and the PIB as well, but this time Corona has stopped some people to report to the SSB centers as well, right? Okay, anyways, so this is the philosophy which we believe, that success is a practice and this is what we do. और यही आपको भी करना है, right? If you want to crack this exam, that is the first round, that is written, right? We'll be talking about PIBs later on, because after written exam there is around you can say that 40-45 days of time where you can easily jostle upon what actually is PIB, what you need to prepare, which documents you have to keep ready, right? So complete details we'll be doing after this written. In between we can have some sessions like PPDT or group discussions, so that we can update our general knowledge as well, apart from the speaking skills. So that's all the announcement from the DCA side about the TE upcoming batch. Prospectus, yes, the prospectus, or you can say the brochure, the brief brochure will be available by 19th Feb. We'll be sharing the fee details as well as the course structure by 19th of Feb. Right, we're right now compiling this. So I announced it earlier because many of the candidates were calling again and again. They were eager to know, they were worried why there is no update. That's why I found that we should announce in the public domain. Any questions, queries, definitely ask us as official number 77105 48960. That's all for today. Thank you.